Understanding anxiety and mindfulness.
Anxiety can show up as worry, restlessness, and even physical tension. Mindfulness meditation offers simple, practical tools to help you reconnect with the present moment and calm your mind. Practicing mindfulness can reduce anxiety by interrupting cycles of worry and promoting relaxation. Let's walk through a quick meditation specifically designed to help manage anxious feelings.
Find a calm, comfortable space.
Begin by sitting or lying down in a quiet, comfortable place. Close your eyes or soften your gaze to minimize distractions. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Take a moment to notice how your body feels, letting yourself settle into the space. There's no need to change anything. Just observe and invite a sense of calm.
Focus on your breathing.
Turn your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs. Exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of tension. Try to keep your breathing natural and steady. If your mind wanders or anxious thoughts appear, gently bring your focus back to the flow of your breath.
Notice thoughts without judgment.
If worries or thoughts arise, recognize them without judgment. Imagine each thought as a passing cloud in the sky. Allow it to float by without holding on or pushing it away. This simple act of noticing, without reacting, helps break the cycle of anxious thinking and brings you back to the present.
Gently return and reflect.
After a few minutes, slowly open your eyes or lift your gaze. Take a deep breath and notice how your body and mind feel. Remind yourself that you can use this mindful meditation anytime anxiety arises. Regular practice can make these calming effects even stronger, supporting your overall sense of well-being.